duck, doll, drum, dad, dress, dog, drink, dolphin, a yellow duck, a pink doll, a red drum, dad and son, a purple dress, a brown dog, she can drink, a dolphin can fly, lemon, leaf, letter, lion, ladder, lock, left, lamp, a yellow lemon, a green leaf, an old letter, a lion can run, a brown ladder, a grey lock, turn left, a red lamp, cook, cry, dance, drive, drink, eat, kiss, listen, cook lunch, a boy can cry, they can dance, drive a car, drink water, eat lunch, kiss a baby, listen to music, laugh, look, push, pull, read, ride, catch, cut, she can laugh, look at a phone, push the ball, they can pull, read a book, ride a bicycle, catch a present, scissors can cut,